Guys, this is Daddy's school box full of something like weird or something that's moving. My brother's right there, and I don't know who this purple guy is, but
It's Orochimaru.
it's Orochimaru, and I'm not sure who the other ones are, and I'm sure this one is the real. So I'm going to open this now.
Open it here na.
Okay.
This is Labubu Naruto, but the brand is EAKI.
EAKI. Yuck. Just
Here.
okay. I'll open it. Don't tell me, okay? Because this is mine. Just joking.
That's mine.
Just joking. I'm just joking. Or actually, don't tell me. I said don't help me. I'm doing it.
It's Jiraiya.
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 Jiraiya. Don't put the gun to the.
Here's the card.
So big. This is a big.
Jiraiya with Gamabunta.
Labubu? Where?
Yes. The frog.
Oh, the frog. Where's the frog? The frog. Oh, yeah. No, I think I don't see the frog. Can you open it, please?
Here. Hold it.
No, I'll hold it. Oh, there. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm mad at you. I wish I had this too. So cute.
Show it to the camera.
Whoa, it can even stand up. Whoa, it can even stand up, guys. Look. Oh, he can just jump. Jump. Doom.
He has a scroll.
Where?
Here, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Full
He has
details.
why does he have a
Scroll.
scroll? Why does he
For the frog.
Oh, for the frog.
The
Okay.
new book.
What's this?
I forgot
Is this-
the name of the contract, but it's the contract between them and the frogs.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the Labubu Naruto, and what we got was Jiraiya with Gamabunta as the
Frog.
frog.
I like the frog.
Look at the details.
I love it. I love the details.
Amazing.
And then
Look at the details.
he looks evil.
No, he's not evil. He's a good guy.
But why is his face like this? It looks evil.
No, it's a sage art.
Oh, it's a sage art. But he looks
Wait.
But he looks cute. And by the
Yes.
way, I have some candy here. Really wants to eat
That's
candy.
all, guys. Thank you for watching.